Today, we'll show you how to seamlessly transfer data from your Samsung device to a Huawei device using an incredible tool called MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Let's dive right in. Visit the official MobiKin website to download the Transfer for Mobile tool. It's a quick and simple process. Once downloaded, proceed to the next step. Run the MobiKin Transfer for Mobile software on your computer. It's time to open up the tool and get ready for the data transfer. Grab your USB cables and connect both your Samsung and Huawei devices to your computer. Ensure that USB debugging is enabled on both phones for a smooth connection. On the MobiKin Transfer for Mobile interface, choose the specific files you want to transfer, whether it's contacts, messages, photos, or more. Once you've made your selections, click Start Copy, kick off the transfer. Now, watch as MobiKin Transfer for Mobile efficiently copies your selected files from your Samsung to your Huawei. It's a seamless process, and the transfer speed may vary based on the amount of data